Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your OnePlus Pad 3. So first, go over to settings and here select the sound. Here make sure that you check the volume levels. So let me just increase this. As you guys can see, it's very loud because my speaker is working, because I did the things that I'm gonna show you. And now what we can do is clean 4 of the speaker grills with either a soft brush or compressed air. So I used compressed air. As you guys can see, here we have 2, and on the other side we also have 2. So we need to clean them. Now after that, we need to make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled or that no device is connected to our tablet, because it can reroute the audio. And now after that, what you guys can do is update your software, and this one actually helped me. So this helped me a lot because I had issues with my speaker and the updated software helped me. So let's go to system and update. Here we go to software update and make sure that you're running the latest version like me. I wasn't running the latest version and I had a glitch where my speaker was sometimes working and sometimes it just wasn't. So now that everything's fixed, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.